So beautiful, people. Giving away one of these tents. Let me bring it in and show you a bit closer to it. It's Alpen Us. It's a 2-person tent. It's a trekking tent. It weighs 2.55. It has a twin brother, but he's a bit heavier. That weighs 3. So it's the ALU, just over 3 kilos, about 600 grams heavier than, though it's 40 euros cheaper. So if weight isn't an issue, the heavier fat brother will do. Yeah, so I'm going to pop her up there and see what she's like, and I'll bring us back and we can have a good look at it together. Okay, back soon. Bye. Yeah, so look at that, freestanding. I wanted to come down here. I was actually going for a beach, but the beach is still wet, and I wanted to come down somewhere where it's just to demonstrate that it's freestanding. Wow, this feels every bit the quality that it says on the specs and the stats. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 8 mesh pockets in this already. You know, as you're seeing, it's easy to pop up. So I'm going to put the fly sheet over it, but I just wanted to give us a closer look at this side of it, you know. Okay, back soon. Yeah, so here I am. I put her up. I didn't bother with all the pegs because it's freestanding, but yeah, feel the quality of this stuff. It's really good. Plenty of space inside. I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll grab the camera and I'll bring us inside for a look. Okay, on the way. Yeah, so there we are there. Pump up now. I haven't put any of the pegs down on the ground. Just the outer pegs, just to give us an idea of the size of it. She's mighty. She's well big enough for one man and his tent. We all know 2-person tents aren't usually, but actually inside this, I'll show you, you would fit 2 people in this. You weren't carrying loads of kit, and we'll have a look at the porches inside as well. So, like I said, this is the Velebit 2 ALU. The other Velebit is a bit heavier, about 600 grams. This one comes in at 2.55 kilos. Standard trekking tent, isn't it? Weight, you know, usually 2.5 kilos. But yeah, the pegs weigh absolutely nothing, so they're ultra lightweight pegs. Maybe that's the difference as well in the weight, because the specs on both of these tents are the exact same, except for ALU is aluminium. So yeah, so come on, we go inside and have a look. Yeah. So here we are inside. Okay, so I explained the net feet. See the net pockets here? There's 3 across the back and 1 on the right hand side, and then 1 across on the left hand side, and 3 across the back. So that's dead handy if you're doing a few days. You can organise all your stuff and that, you know. It smells beautiful. It smells quality. It's a 5000D floor on it. It's a 5000 hydrostatic head on it. And what that means is it'll take a lot of water for years and years. It'll take the pelt down that. The ceiling on them as well. I like I've seen a fair few tents, as you imagine, at this time, guys. But you know, I only have 4 tents, and I'm giving one of them away, so I'll have 3. So if I was in the market for a tent, I'd definitely go for this, because it's lashings of room. Look, I'm kneeling up, and there's still loads of room. It comes, as I said, with all those little features. There's mesh here for condensation, breathability, and all that, and then there's this here, and that will hook on underneath there and give you a little mesh pocket on the top for other little lighter things and your lamp and all that. So look, all I can say is, wow, how the hell did I never hear of this tent or see these tents before? You know, they're like I said, it's they're probably just a new enough brand, but they're really putting the quality into their products. They really are. The zips are good. All the clips that clip in and clip out. The clips on the top that I was clipping the thing in. Everything, yeah, everything is working very nice on it. It is. Let's see how they look. And then back down. Oh, you can actually zip that one back down there as well. Oh wow, that's a neat feature, isn't it? See that? So you can actually zip it down. And that goes around the corner there. Yeah, isn't that neat? Yeah, so hang on, we go back outside. The heat in here is killing me. Yeah, so there I am now. Back out, lovely cool breeze out here on the cliffs. Yeah, very impressed. Very impressed. Okay, so let me get it all tidied back up, and then I'll just tell you the final details on how you can win this. So by next week, probably, this will go up today or tomorrow. What day is today? Thursday, Friday. So by probably next Friday, Saturday, I'll do the draw on a live camp. So you'll have plenty of time. You'll have about another 6-7 days left to enter. Yeah, so let me tidy all this up. Back to you soon, guys. Yeah, so real easy to break down and pack away, because all the good tent makers give you a bag big enough that you won't be struggling to get your tent in, you know. So what I'm going to do is, I never carry me poles with me tent, because usually me tent is lying down flat, so I won't be putting these poles will stay separate to the tent bag, just in case. I will always lay them upright in my backpack, and then in this case of backpack I'll be putting it in beside them. And then look, you have this. Deep stuffing. Deep stuffing. Deep stuffing. Look at that. And loads of room left over. Turn on your lights, babe. Lights. I never know. And we pour her back in. In she goes. In she goes. And there she is. She's packed up. Okay, so so how are you going to enter? You just comment, say military first. Comment and let me know where you are tuning in from. So greetings from Ireland, Cork, Waterford, Wexford. I've had lads on from Sligo. If you're abroad, the UK, say hello to us over here on the Emerald Isle. If you're in the United States, Germany, Poland, Japan, I have viewers. So Aligato for viewing, for subscribing. Anyway, so just comment on it. We'll post it anywhere around the world. I'll pay for that out of my own pocket. So we post anywhere around the world. So good luck, everybody. Big thanks, big shout out to the guys in Military First for providing this great prize. It could be your first trekking tent. I kind of, in a romantic way, I want somebody who's only just after getting into it and hasn't got the fucking dosh to get the tent. He has the few other bits, and then bang, he wins the tent. So kind of, that would be kind of nice. Jer Bradley, you're not allowed in. You have 10 tents already, man. You have enough. Your addiction has gone too far. Linda, take his credit card off him. Chop him up, better still. Just ban him. Okay, so look, thanks everybody, and best of luck everyone. See you on the next adventure. I'm going camping in a few days. That's what has me so happy. Okay, bye now.